So how the process of making donuts looks like? First we need to make the flour. We put the flour in the planetary mixer, close it. There is a lot of type of the flour, ready-made mixes. Now we use the donut mix. This is our own mix. We produce it in Moscow factory. And all we need, just put some water. For 1 kg of the flour, we put 600 grams of the water. So now we turn on the planetary mixer on a minimum speed. So in the beginning, we use the minimum speed for 1 minute. And after this, we will use the maximum speed for 2 minutes. So the flour will be ready. So after 1 minute, you can increase the speed. And now we need another 2 minutes to mix the flour. As you see, we use the home kitchen planetary mixer, and this is not a very good idea for commercial purposes, because for commercial purposes it's better to buy stainless steel planetary mixer, because if you will make a flour many times per day, the plastic planetary mixer will break very easily, you see. So this one costs less than 100 USD, and the commercial one price begins about 400, 500 USD. It's better to buy commercial one, like for example KitchenAid. It's like a very good professional planetary mixers. So now the flour is ready, but we don't put it in the hopper immediately. According to the instructions, after mixing, it's better to give 10 minutes for stain for better results. So the final product will look better and the consistency will be better if you will give 10 minutes for the flour to stay. It's like a live product and it's leaves during the process, so it's better to wait for a while, and after this we will put it in a hopper. From the 1 kg of the donut mix, after adding the water, we can make about 40 mini donuts. So it's still quite profitable business. So after 10 minutes we load our flour into the hopper. For right now we load only 1 pack of the ready mix, but it's only because of we don't have a lot of customers here, so we're just showing how it works. On the production line, of course, we use bigger hopper and we load much more of flour. What we will need for the process? First, of course, we will need the donut machine by itself. Also, we need some plates and we will need some accessories. For giving it away to the customers, I use the paper plate, and to make it look nice, I make some chocolate, some marshmallow, some dark chocolate and some icing. So with this we can make a nicer product, and you see, with this kind of business your products must look very good, because the customers, the final customers, they making decision of buying donuts impulsive. Usually they don't know which donuts they need and how much donuts they want to buy. Now when we put the flour inside, we're ready to operate. We use these accessories for special purposes, I will explain you later. So for right now we put it for 100 per minute, and we turn on the operation and the cutter drive on. So now the device will work. First few donuts will look not very good, but after that they will be round and nice. First few donuts will be not very good because first the butter should fill this area. This is not our first donut, so I used to make previously a few ones, so you see they doesn't look very good. This one looks much better. So now we put these accessories to make a queue. So for right now, if I will remove these accessories, we'll go and flip, but it doesn't fry properly. So for this reason, we should wait for a queue, and after that I will remove it and they will go and flip to the other side and swim here and ready. So now we remove. And you will see, now it will swim. And we put these accessories here, so the quantity of the donuts must be equal here and here. I prefer to make queue of 5 here, so we will have to make queue of 5 second part, and only after that we will go them to the squeeze and we will be ready to remove ready-made donuts. So they flip over one by one. So, as I told you, this machine works absolutely automatically. All that operator needs, just adjust the temperature, adjust the hopper, and adjust the speed. How many donuts we will produce per hour. Alright, here is ready. We remove this accessory. So, just compare the quality of the ready-made product, this one donut, and tells you, as I told you before, the quality not very good. You actually can sell it, but if you don't like the appearance, you can just put it in a trash bag. So now the process works absolutely automatically. So once your donut is ready, now you can sell it, for example, plain, or you can use sugar powder, cacao powder, or also you can use icing. So I mean, the biggest thing is not to make donuts, but the biggest thing is make donuts nice. So the customers, the millennials, they like to put everything in Instagram. So if you will make not like a plain donut, but something like unusual with icing or chocolate, it will look nice and it looks like millennials will like it, and we'll put a photo in the Instagram. So let's try to make it. Oh. Also, it's very nice when you can add some chocolate. So this is just another way to make your donuts look nicer. And the last one, I like it very much. So enjoy fresh donuts and don't be shy to contact us for any inquiries. You can start your own profitable business with our automatic donuts machine. With this machine you can make up to 600 mini donuts per hour. Is it profitable? Of course, yes. So this is RoboLabs.pro and make a huge candy money. Thank you for watching this video. It was a big pleasure to serve you and share my opinion and my knowledge with you. As you know, I work in the fun food industry for 10 years and I have some experience and I want to share my experience with you. That's why I suggest you to subscribe on my channel, and if you like my video, please press like. I need your support. Thank you so much and welcome to the cottoncandyshow.com.